car market in China is very tempting. Ahead of next week's 2015 Auto Shanghai makes the Volkswagen make its debut. Volkswagen Scirocco GTS emits an expressive face on the exterior and interior appearance, as well as more aggressive performance be formulated. Behind the front bonnet mounted 4-cylinder gasoline engine with a 2.0-liter turbocharged. This engine is able to blow up the power to 220 horsepower or 10 horsepower more than the standard version. Being able to touch a maximum speed of up to 246 km per hour. Runs from 0 to 100 km per hour only takes 6.5 seconds. Available options: 6-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed DSG. Interior face did not change with the new Volkswagen Scirocco attended last year. But GTS version is more sporty with 18-inch alloy wheels or 19-inch option plus bumper R Sport roof spoiler and rear diffuser. In the interior, the steering racing model was GTS logo wrapped in leather. The seats also wrapped in leather-colored Hita Plus red accents and stitching also colored red and GTS emblems. For convenience, attached modular infotainment matrix (MIB), which is capable of displaying a variety of colors.